Now we will test the shunt trip interface for the kitchen wet chemical system, electrical equipment. Now this is the conductors. We have four conductors here. One is spare. Then is the fourth conductor, fifth conductor, sixth conductor, and 7 and 8 conductor. Now they are in normal condition. See the orange one or red color? It means this is it's power on. Now we will go to the kitchen to activate the switch for the kitchen chemical system. See, all the DBs are on. This is DB 3.4 R10, this is DB 3.4 Y10, and this is DB 3.2 B2, DB 3.2 Y13. Now the hood light is on. Hood light is on. Also, this is the hood light. It's already on. So now we will activate the kitchen hood switch with chemical system. Kalas, activate mo lang. Activate now, activate. Kalas, make the switch. Steady, ah. So now, Kalas, okay. Now DB 3.4 off, R10, DB 3.4 Y10 off. Hood light off, and now this one, DV 3.2 B2 off, DV 3.2 Y13 off, and also hood light is already off now, and also DB 3.3 B1 off.